Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine. Now let's start our lesson. Today we'll start new module, Module 8, Travel and Tourism. Lesson 1. The theme of our lesson is means of transport. Here you can see the learning objectives of this lesson and assessment criteria. I'm sure at the end of the lesson we'll reach all the goals of the lesson we've set. Holidays are very popular nowadays. People travel a lot. We use different kind of transport to reach our destination. So let's have a look at the kinds of transport. Of course, this information is new for you, but you'll revise your vocabulary. Please look at the screen. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, scooter, vehicle, minibus, bus, lorry, train, airplane, helicopter, rocket, ferry, boat, ship. Let's speak. Answer my questions. The first, what mean of transport is your favorite? The second, what kind of transportation do you use most often? The third, what do you think is the safest or the most dangerous kind of transport? But you shouldn't only answer the questions, also to explain why do you think so. For example, my favorite mean of transport is a plane, because I can reach my destination really fast. Now, it's time to listen to some transport announcement. Please listen. After listening, you should do task 2, true or false.
This recording is from the British Council.
A.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 12:20 to Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Reading, Oxford and Bristol Parkway. Platform 2 for the 12:20 to Bristol. First class is in the rear carriage.
B.
This is a platform announcement for passengers for the 12:20 service to Bristol Temple Meads. This train is delayed by approximately 8 minutes. The train will now depart from platform 9. Passengers for the 12:20 train to Bristol, please make your way to platform 9.
C.
Passengers for flight EB380 to Paris, please make your way to gate 13 for boarding. Gate 13 for flight EB380 to Paris. Please have your passports and boarding passes ready. Your flight is ready to board.
D.
This is a London Underground service to Liverpool Street. The next station is Liverpool Street. Upon arrival, the first set of doors will not open. Customers in the first carriage, please move towards the rear doors to leave the train. The next station is Liverpool Street. Change here for Central Line, Circle Line, Hammersmith and City Line, and Metropolitan Line and Main Line suburban rail services. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates at Redbridge.
This recording is from the British Council. To find more activities to practice your English, visit www.britishcouncil.org/learn English.
You have listened to this audio. Now, please read the sentences true or false and do this task. You should write this task on your exercise books. Thank you for your attention. And after the lesson, listen to the song and get a good mood. Goodbye, students.